Hello. This is MA Tech Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get a notification for the new video. In this video, I will show you how to make this such kind of chains in PowerPoint. As we see here, from the blue and the orange here, if we see here it looks that orange circle is on top of the blue one, but here we see the reverse one. The blue is on top of the orange one, and the same thing, which looks just two circles are connected, and they makes just such kind of chains, which are mostly important when we see some just interactions between two different things in such kind of import point, or maybe just three different circles connected with some kind of rectangle. These four circles, as we see here, they're connected to the rectangle. They make some kind of chains. We can make such kind of connections in PowerPoint, and also just maybe such kind of plots. As we see here, we have three different circles which has their own connection, and we see that now this is connected. The green is connected to both the orange one and the blue one. I mean the yellow one. The yellow is connected to the green and the yellow one, and the same thing. So in this video, I will show you how to make such kind of chains in PowerPoint. So we will start from just by inserting a new template on PowerPoint, blank template. Then we will insert some kind of shapes. Click on shape and we select some kind of round rectangle. I will do this one. Okay. Then let's make to resize this and make more oval the shape. I will say we are in this one. You can just Control plus T, just to copy, duplicate, resize a bit low. I will put this one to center. Then click both of the shapes, this round shape rectangles. Then click on shape format. On shape, click on merge shapes. Then click on subtract. Now I have this one shape. So then I will click on Control and D just to duplicate. I will put the second one. Second link, it looks, let's say this one. I will put it this way. Then I will click Control plus D to have duplicate, Control plus D to have it. We have such kind of links. Now, what we should do is just click Shift and mark, or just select all of them. Then go to Shape Format. In Shape Format, click on Merge Shapes. On Merge Shapes, click on Fragment at the beginning. Now, in this case, we make multiple fragments from the previous shapes, and we start by removing or deleting the unwanted ones. We click on the one that we didn't use. We will remove this one first. We don't need also the one in between or the intersections. We remove the other shapes. We leave the shapes that we want. Then click on the shape. Let me zoom a bit to make it more clear. Select. Now, okay, sorry. Here, yeah, okay. Now select the shapes that we want to merge together. I will select this shape. Then one of the rectangles in the intersection, I will select the third one. But I didn't select the fourth one because that should be under the curve. So I will go again to shape format, merge shapes. Now I will say union. Now I make this one as union. Then to the outline, I will make this one no outline. And the fill, let's say I will use some orange. Look here. Now, now this yellow chain looks on top of the blue one, but here still it is under the blue. So what I did is just now I will select this rectangle blue, this one, this one, this one, and here also it should be under. So I will leave this one. I will select this box. Sorry. Then fourth one. Now go to shape format, merge, then union. Again, no shapes. outline, then click on shape fill in. Let's select, let's say blue or some green. Okay, let's say green. Now, as we see here, the green is on top of the yellow one, but here the green is on top of the blue one. I mean, under the, yeah, on top of the blue one. And here it should be just under the blue. I will move a bit up. Then do the same thing for this one. I will select this rectangle, this shape, then this one, this rectangle shapes, and the other one. Okay. Now go to shape, then union. Now I will change no outline. I will change the color to some kind of red shape. Then the final one, I will go click this shape, click on this one, click on the remaining shape, then go shape format, merge shape, union. Then I will say no outline, click on the other shape and fill with some different color. Now look, as we see here now, these four shapes they have some kind of chain, because here, if we see the yellow and the green one part is on top of the green, one part is under the green. As we see here, green is just one part is on top of red, the other is under the red. Here it's just red is on top, and on the other side the red is on the under. So we can make such kind of chains for different purposes in PowerPoint. You can also add some kind of 3D effects for these shapes. Just select the shape, go to shape format, then in shape format it's just some kind of solid fill I have, so I will move to 3D format. In 3D format I will select some top level, let's say the first one. I add this 3D effect on the shape. Then if I want, I can also add some kind of reflection or some, let's say, some shadow. Let's say this one. Okay. Select the second shape. Go to shape format, then the 3D format. I will top select this shape. Then I will add some kind of shadow. Okay. Do the same thing for all four of the shapes. Go to shape format, 3D effect, top level, first one. Add some shadow. Select the fourth one, go to shape format, 3D the 3D format, then add some 3D effect, then click on this shape. Click on the shadow and add some shadow effect. We can make such kind of effects. It's possible to make them just some kind of 3D view for the shapes. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment for the video, and put on the comments the shapes that you want to make on PowerPoint. I will make the videos next. Thank you.